is AV of avdoeswhat.com, the DIY and lifestyle blog. The festive time of Carnival tends to happen during the winter months. Mardi Gras, Brazil, Trinidad, but did you know there are several places throughout the world that celebrate Carnival at different points of the year? There is London, Barbados, Jamaica, Miami, Toronto, you get the picture. A few years ago, I had the wonderful yet expensive experience of celebrating Carnival in Trinidad, and I came back with a wonderful costume as a souvenir. Some time has passed since then, and in an attempt to drop the baggage but save the memories, I've decided to repurpose my costume. These ideas are super simple, so don't fret. Now let's get this party started.
Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Brinca. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump. Brinca. Ahí vaya. Brinca. Let me see you jump. Brinca. Brinca. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
Whether you're a newbie or a carnival chaser, I hope these ideas help encourage you to keep the party going at home. To find more dope DIYs and amazing recipes, please visit avdoeswhat.com. While you're doing that, don't forget, life is better when you do it yourself. Until next time, peace out.